Sashen, CEO of XeroShoes.com here in Broomfield, Colorado. And let me ask you a quick question. Do your feet feel better at the end of the day than they did at the beginning of the day? If your answer is no, you're going to love our line of incredibly comfortable boots, shoes, and sandals that let your feet do what's natural, bend and flex and move and feel the world. So no matter what you do in your active lifestyle, we help you live life feet first. This was going to be the year that Xero Shoes really popped. We had huge orders from big retailers all around the world, and not surprisingly, those were all canceled due to all their stores being closed. Also, just the challenges of working remotely, where our team is at home with slower computers and bad internet connections, that has been a real challenge and has made it difficult for us to provide the level of customer service that we're known for. One of the ways that we adapted is we stay in touch with our customers, with our friends, with our fans, of course, with our team, but with our customers in particular. We let them know that we really just needed their help, and one way that we needed their help was to get rid of all that excess inventory that I mentioned from the retailers who couldn't take their orders, and they responded. April was actually one of the better months we've ever had, and we're not out of the woods, but boy, it has gone a long way to keeping everybody on our team employed and keeping Xero Shoes moving forward. One thing we hope people realize during this time is that we're human beings doing the best we can under crazy circumstances. We're not a huge company, we don't have massive resources, and we don't have control over things like the post office, who's also having an issue. So if you give us a little extra time to respond to your emails, your phone calls, and let us do the best we can, we know we're going to ultimately help you out.